Hey everyone, Elle here. So today I'm going to talk about one of my absolute favorite natural hair, skincare, beauty ingredients that I have been using ever since I had 1 inch of hair. Still use it frequently today. Pretty much the best, inexpensive, also one of the best gels with the best ingredients for your hair that doesn't dry your hair out, that you can use in different climates, and everything is going to be freaking wonderful. Works for me in winter, works for me in summer, works all year round. Definitely a staple for me. Something that I have, get several bottles of at a time. If I'm about to run out, I usually go to the grocery store and get another bottle. And we're like, what are you talking? Elle, what is it? Oh my God. So, aloe vera, the best, the best. So I started using aloe vera gel, oh my gosh, probably what, 2009, 2010 with my hair. And I really just found it to be one of the greatest ingredients that my hair absolutely loves. Most of the leave-ins and styling products that I use that my hair really likes, most of my staples have some type of aloe vera juice or aloe vera gel in it. It makes a great hair refresher if you use the actual juice. This is a gel, so I wouldn't refresh my hair. Actually, you can't refresh your hair in this. More on that in a minute. So it's just wonderful. This is one I primarily use. This is Fruit of the Earth aloe vera gel, and I get this from Harris Teeter, so I just get it at the grocery store. I personally would not order it online. I've seen it like kind of ridiculous prices online. But if you cannot find this one, if you don't have a Harris Teeter or like one of their partner grocery stores, you can also use the Target generic brand and the Walgreens generic brand, because those are basically like mimicking the same ingredients in this one. So today my hair is a second day wash and go, and it's very humid. I don't know why. It's October, but it's still very humid around here. And it's working great for me. I did deep condition my hair with one of the Camille Rose protein treatments that I got from their Around the World collection, which is amazing. All three of those conditioners are amazing. So I'll do another video on what I think of those as well. But for my leave-in, I just use the Dulce Hydrating Curl Lotion from Alikay, and I use the Bolden Shea Oil on my ends and also fluff my hair out with that. So a lot of people were asking me on my other videos. I mean, I'm just saying, I'm not acting like, oh my gosh, like I had to do this. But I love talking about aloe vera, so I was like excited that people were asking me about it, because I was really surprised that more people aren't still using this on their hair. I think when I was really active in hair forums, especially naturally curly, a lot of us were using aloe vera all the time on our hair. So it really is something, I think it has a good amount of hold. It doesn't make your hair hard, but it has like just enough hold. Like I can probably get at least 2 more days out of this wash and go, unless I do something crazy, like if I sleep crazy on my hair, or I just, have a really intense workout outside. Like I said, it's really humid. I'm like sweating at my roots a lot. But another good thing about aloe vera is that the way it interacts with your hair, you can actually use this bad boy and smooth like your frizzy parts down, or you could, what is this little guy doing? I don't know. You can smooth your frizzy parts down, or you can actually restyle your hair completely in a dry wash and go using aloe vera, and it doesn't flake. It doesn't get gunky. It doesn't have like a ton of extra stuff in it. And if you want, you can even use it mixed with an oil to kind of give your hair like extra nourishment while you use it. I personally don't mix it with oil a lot of the time, just because I don't feel like making the mixture and I don't feel like I need to, but you can absolutely do that if you choose. You can also get aloe vera straight from the leaf, but I've done it before and it's amazing. It's definitely like superior to just getting like a store-bought aloe vera gel, but it doesn't have preservatives. It doesn't last long. And it's also a pain in the butt to just keep, like scraping the actual gel out of the leaf. I mean, I'm lazy. But if you want to try that, you can do that as well. I don't know if you all have seen the video, it was like viral years ago with Lenny Kravitz, and he was literally taking aloe vera out of a plant and putting it in his hair with his shirt off, and everyone was like, okay, Lenny. So I kind of feel like that when I use aloe vera gel, just because it's so good. So some of the benefits of it, basically, people say, I mean, I don't really, this is the only one I really don't adhere to, that it helps with hair growth, but it is moisturizing, and it does have inflammatory, anti-dandruff properties on your scalp. So that can help with hair growth. I don't think I don't think it's just like a miracle for hair growth. You know, I focus on hair growth from the inside out. I don't think you can just like put any kind of like topical treatment on there and your hair is magically going to grow. But basically, yeah, and it adds shine to your hair. It's very moisturizing, not drying. It's great for your face, on your skin, because it soothes sunburn. It is, like I said, it's also moisturizing for your skin. It's anti-acne if you get breakouts a lot of the time. So during summer, I was using aloe vera a lot and mixing it with my facial oil, just because I didn't want to use facial oil and then put a moisturizer on top that had extra oils in it, just because I thought that that was too gunky, because it's so humid out here and I hate it when my face feels all coated. But aloe vera works really, really well for that. And it just, I don't know, it helps my curls clump better than a lot of gels. I feel like a lot of gels like are heavy and give me kind of like that wet cat hair look until my hair dries, or it's really sticky and gets all over my shoulders. So aloe vera gel doesn't do that, because it's made up of a lot of water, or mainly aloe vera juice, I should say, not really water. And it has like thickeners in it. This is what the product basically is, in addition to some preservatives and vitamin E. So it's really not like a really thick, gunky thing, even though it looks thick. Like when you spray it on your hand. Well, not spray it, I'll pump it. I'm gonna try to pump it. So it really dissolves well, and you can put it anywhere. I love it. And I definitely was using it after I got sunburn, because I needed it. It was very, very important to me, and it's just wonderful. I use it everywhere from head to toe, and I always keep a bottle of it on hand. I think that's it. I know that was a lot of information to digest. I feel like the moral of the story, if you want to just fast forward to the end of this video, is aloe vera is awesome. Use it. It's very cheap, inexpensive, and you can use it in a variety of ways. If you want, you can even mix it with like a loose highlighter and use it as like a shimmer gel on your skin or anything. It's just so good, and it mixes well with almost every leave-in I have. I don't really think I've had any issues with any leave-ins with it making it like gunky or making my hair flaky at the roots. So for me, it's just a win-win. And every time I stop using it for a little bit, if I'm testing out a new gel, when I go back to aloe vera, I'm just like, why did I stop that? I don't know. But yes, moral of the story, aloe vera, bae. And that is it. So if you have any questions, please leave them for me in the comments all the time. You can hit me up on social media, Ellevate 108 on Twitter or Facebook, and Dupe Black on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a bomb-ass day. Thank you.